Hi, I'm Miranda.
Hi, I like split pea soup.
Today, we're going to be copying Jamie and Marcus's idea of making a commercial for pointless items that have no use. Okay, so enjoy the following commercial. Now watch as my sister, Abby, demonstrates how to get a gumball out of this machine. Easy dispensing. Easy dispensing. If you buy our Hello Kitty Gumball machine either today, tomorrow, or next week, we will also throw in these free items. Johnson's lotion. A big green sponge. You know you want that. And an alarm clock. But wait, if you hurry and call now, we'll also throw in adhesive medical strips. And, you know, not everybody likes them, but everybody loves free stuff, so you'll like it anyway. If you don't buy this Hello Kitty Gumball machine, I'm going to come to your house and, oh gee, I don't know,
eat your dog.
Not everybody has a dog.
Kill your cat.
I'll come to your house.
Knife your mom.
No, will you shut up? I'll come to your house and throw a puppy on your roof.
No,
Bye. Buy our Hello Kitty Gumball machine now.
Or die.